Welcome to the Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make chicken with chickpeas pilau. And I'm just going to give it a taste for you guys to see. So we have some chickpeas inside as well, and the rice is separating nicely. Bismillah. Wow, that is outstanding. The chicken is quite soft, which I like. The chickpeas, it gives it a nice crunchy texture. It's just a good addition to this whole recipe. So let's move on to the recipe now. Okay, you saw how to make this wonderful chicken with chickpeas pilau. We've served it with yogurt raita, with some kachumbar as well, which is this famous salad that we use, and also with some zarda, which is these sweet rice. The recipe for all of these can be found, and this combination is just wonderful. This is how we usually, in our home, we always tend to have pilau with all of this combination. Definitely try it out, because if you do that, you won't regret. You'll be like, wow, what a combination of food being put together. So I'm just gonna add the raita and the kachumbar as well, which is my favorite. Bismillah. And this takes it to another level altogether. It's outstanding, outstanding. So the kachumbar is an East African recipe, and you must obviously try it out. You'll be able to find a video of this. It just goes so well with the pilau. Like, I cannot stress it enough. All in all, do give it a go. And also with that, do like the video, do comment below if you are going to try it out, and subscribe to my channel, Imran.Family Kitchen. And with that said, catch you in the next one.